range here. All right, so this is a new day opening gap, end dog, as we like to call it. So separation between 5 p.m. Eastern time in the US to 6 p.m. Eastern time in the US. So that 1 hour break in between where we close and where we open up, that's end dog. So if you scrub on over to where we are here, see we traded up almost to about right to the 75% of that level. I'm just eyeballing it here. Upper quadrant of that range, reaches up into it, body's respecting it, it breaks down. Okay, we have a shift in market structure here and an imbalance. So the market trades back up into the new day opening gap, the inefficiency, and the breaker. The breaker is this candle right there. And the high on that candle right there goes to 29.25. The high on this candle here comes in at 27.5. So that's a mohawk. That's permissible. And then the entries inside of consequent encroachment of the city and adding to it here. Breaks lower inside that breaker. Breakaway gap. We leave the breaker here. Came down in here. Inversion fair value gap was too small. The label, but you know what that is. And this consequent encroachment of this wick here. If you measure that, put your fib on that, drag it down to this low here. I expected this sell side to be taken because the algorithm would reach that far. Right here, 1 standard deviation, which is exactly the low on that candle. The low comes in at 67 and the -1 standard deviation is 67 even. Then we have a retracement back up.